Well, hello everybody, Mark Anthony, welcome back. I wanted to let you know that I am 6'2". I know, big deal, okay? However, during Prime, the only item I wanted during Prime Day came on sale and I bought it and it arrived. And here it is. My Fezibo adjustable desk. Ooh, I love this thing. Okay. Goes up to what? Goes up to 45 inches. All right. Very well built, very well made. Actually, it's very well built because I built it. I put it together. It took me about 90 minutes. Okay. It is heavy, so if you have a second person, it works a lot better. Okay. But one person can do it, but it is heavy. I'm just letting you know that. This is the 48-inch one. It goes up to 62 inches. So it's got multiple sizes, multiple colors. And push button. I love it. It's very easy to operate, very quiet. All right, here, let me show you. All right, here are the buttons. Up, down. It's got four memories. I've got it set for low and high. Like I said, this is the 48-inch one. I think it's like a ½ inch, 3/4 inch thick here. So it's pretty solid. The top comes in two pieces. There is a line here, but it is not noticeable, and it's not going to impact anything that I do. Besides that, I throw a mat up there, so it's not that big of a deal. Lockable roller wheels, metal frame. It's got your holes for your cables. There's a second one here. The thing I like about this is that this is solid, so I can clamp things to it, cameras, rigs, and things like that. There it is. Really can't think of anything else, but it's like I said, it took me about 90 minutes to assemble by myself. It is heavy, so I would not. So if you could have some help, I would strongly suggest it, but there it is. Take a look at it, and I will see you on the next video.